Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix calendar app not showing birthdays in iPhone. So go to settings app on your iPhone. Now tap on apps and from here tap on calendar. Now tap on default alert times. You'll find it and in default alert time make sure to set an alert time, example 1 day before or 2 day before. In birthdays tap on birthdays and make sure to set a default alert time 1 day before, 1 week before, or anything. Now after setting it, ensure it is not set to none and move to second fix. The second fix is to check cellular settings. In settings, tap on cellular data or mobile service. Scroll down and ensure that contacts and mail are allowed. Tap on show all and make sure contacts and mail are allowed so that the reminder comes in, and also make sure calendar is also allowed. Make sure calendar is also allowed. So that's it. And the next fix is to verify email account. To do this, open the calendar app. Go to apps and tap on calendar. Now in calendar, check if the correct email account is listed. Tap on calendar accounts and check if the correct account is listed. If not, remove the incorrect account and add the correct account. Now turn on calendar option in mail settings. To do this, go back to settings, tap on mail. In apps, tap on mail. Now then tap on accounts and make sure the calendar option is enabled. The seventh fix is to enable iCloud calendar. Now in settings, tap on your name and tap on iCloud and make sure iCloud calendar option is turned on. Make sure iCloud calendar option is turned on. Now the last fix is to switch between mobile data to Wi-Fi to if the issue persists. So that's it. Thanks for watching.